So this video is going to be a little bit different than what I've done in the past, and I kind of just wanted to talk about some of the things that have been on my mind in the last little while. This stage of my life has been filled with moments of joy, happiness, and excitement, but it has also consisted of confusion, self-doubt, and anxiety. Navigating my early 20s has been an interesting journey, and although I have so many good memories, sometimes it feels like I have a quarter-life crisis every few months. Maybe this is normal, or maybe it's just me. I think it's good to reflect, but it's tiring to be in this state for really long periods of time. Sometimes I wonder what it would feel like to not think about what's to come and to just live fully in the present. I find myself turning to shows and activities that I loved as a kid as a source of comfort. Familiarity is comforting, and sometimes that's exactly what we need. My day-to-day life is busy and at times overwhelming and loud. Loud in the sense that my environment can be overstimulating. Some people thrive in this setting, and I used to think I would love living this lifestyle as well. But I've realized that I'm definitely someone that prefers to live slower and to really notice the small things in life. I've noticed that it's hard for me to fully unplug and rest. And I think this is partly due to feeling like I need to be productive or doing something all the time. I think it's common to feel like this, especially because of societal pressure, but rest is important and doing nothing is important. I'm still in the process of unlearning the feeling of anxiety as something normal. There is nothing I'd want more than to just feel at ease and calm, and normalize living without being in a constant state of fight or flight. Lately, I've been thinking a lot about the relationships in my life, and something I really value is authenticity. I think it's rare to find people that you connect with that also genuinely want you to do well. There are so many different stages of a relationship. Whether it's a romantic or platonic relationship, we all have expectations of how we want the relationship to be like. What we prioritize might not be the same for the other person, and this is what makes maintaining relationships challenging. I place a lot of value on emotional closeness in my relationships, not to be confused with trauma bonding. Maybe this is because I have a hard time having small talk with people, but I just don't see the point of being around people simply for companionship. On the other hand, loneliness is a big reason why people stay in relationships that are no longer adding value to their lives. And it's hard because no one really wants to feel alone. I'm lucky because I have a strong support system, and my sister is my best friend, so it feels like no matter what, I still have people to rely on. But this obviously isn't the case for everyone. reciprocity is also very important to me. It took me a long time to realize this, and it was sad when I realized that some relationships aren't meant to last. And when I thought about whether or not people's actions matched what they said, I also realized how much of a priority I was in their lives. In the moment, it can be pretty sad, but staying in a relationship when you know your efforts are not being reciprocated seems worse to me. At the end of the day, I just want to be surrounded by people that genuinely support and care about me and my goals. It's an interesting period in my life, but I'm excited to create the life that I want for myself.